So for the first question, um, I think that it's it would be really helpful, and I think it should be necessary that teachers have some sort of special education experience, on-job training or in service, because I don't think that they need to have a dual license, um, but I do think that having experience with special education students will help them if they end up getting a special education student in the general education classroom. Just have some experience with the different types, and then it's sort of like they're not left out to dry. Um, Second question, I think that it really depends on the student. I don't think you can really call whether or not a student should be full, or you're more towards full inclusion or partial inclusion, because it really depends on the severity of the special needs of the child. Um, and then the third question, I think one of the challenges would be, um, not knowing how to assess the child correctly. Um, it can be really tough to, have the same like standards in the sense for the general education students as well as the special education student, and sort of making it, uh, ready for both. And then the second challenge I think would be, being able to meet their needs. And it can be tough if you don't have a lot of special education experience, then it can be really tough. Getting someone for the first time like that, not really knowing what to do. So that's what I have for this week.